up, Cancer? It's your girl Dominique with Empathic Guidance, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. Y'all entering into a season of actual blessings, and I feel like it took a lot of healing and releasing things that hurt you in the past that continue to linger in your heart space in order for you to get to this place, okay? The clear solution was to let some shit go. I feel like it was a lot of stuff that was hard for you guys to let go because it was a lot of confusion and illusions around it. Like you didn't know what to believe, what to think, when it came down to a lot of the pain that you was going through. But that cycle is closed now. You entering into a cycle where a lot of doors are getting ready to open for you. You finally seeing that the law of attraction is real. Because I feel like you guys were putting a lot of positive energy out that you felt like you wasn't getting back in return. And you could have been feeling like people that was coming up against you was getting more favor from the universe than you. But guess what? We are in the season of reckoning, okay? Everybody that sowed negative seeds, those individuals are getting that negative in return because you sowed positive seeds and you've been patiently trying to go within and heal and essentially address your own inner issues to bring positive change into your life. I feel like you finally getting that now, Cancer, okay? So a cycle is closing out for you guys. This is the end of a wave for you. So if you feel like opportunities was pretty dismal for you, I feel like now you gonna see that they coming in abundance. That don't mean that you don't still have to use your discretion and discernment when it comes down to which opportunities you take, but it's opportunities nonetheless. When you could have been feeling like every door you tried to turn a knob to was closed, okay? Yeah, the Ten of Cups in reverse, Queen of Swords in reverse here. All right, y'all had an antagonist in your life, and it could have been somebody in y'all family is what I'm getting here. It could have even been a sibling for some of you, or it could have been a parent, okay? But I'm definitely getting that, you guys might come from like a dysfunctional family. And with this Queen of Swords in reverse, you could have had somebody speaking negatively, telling lies on you, defaming your name, and this could be somebody that just come from a dysfunctional family if you don't have one. All right, but this is somebody that could have they could have blocked opportunities from you, opportunities that you was meant to receive by the way that they were spreading lies and basically being an antagonist in your world. Okay, I'm getting that whoever is doing that, the wheel is not turning in their favor. It's like they getting back what they put out. So this person is now being talked about. People are kind of, recognizing that this person is just jealous, that they unhappy. And this person is the type of person that they don't go after happiness. They settle for whatever it is that they in, and they present themselves as a facade. So maybe this person tried to portray to people that they had no reason to be jealous of you, but in fact people are starting to find out that this person is not as happy with their life as they portray themselves to be, and it shows in the way that this person has to drag you verbally every chance they get to anybody that would listen. Well, guess what? People done and tired of listening to this liar, okay? Whoever this is, I feel like you finally stood up for yourself, okay? Or somebody else defended you. People could just be tired of hearing this person bash your name. Maybe when they come around you, you ain't got shit to say about this person. So now everybody just seeing a correlation like, are you just jealous? Because whenever we around Cancer, they ain't got nothing negative to say about you. So why you always talking out the side of your neck about Cancer? Okay, I feel like either somebody stood up for y'all or y'all stood up for y'allself, and the truth is being revealed about this person and their true intentions. This is literally somebody that may be forced to apologize to you for whatever reason. Okay, y'all got this new beginning. Y'all leaving the past behind. Y'all don't give a damn. This could have hurt y'all at one point, but after y'all finally just figured out, like, this person is just miserable as hell, okay? I feel like y'all just let that shit go. And now y'all counting y'all blessings. Yeah, whoever this is like they was trying to force an agenda, force a narrative. But y'all coming out as the star. Some of y'all could have Aquarius in y'all chart. Some of you guys could have Sagittarius in y'all chart. But I feel like y'all was starting to lose y'all patience, or y'all did. Because like I said, either you stood up for this person, you stood up against this person and defended yourself, or somebody else did. But either way, this person ain't getting the support, and they don't got the ears hanging around to listen to their negativity anymore. People just getting tired of the gossip and the bullshit when it comes to you. Some people had to come and see for themselves, and they seeing that some shit just ain't adding up. It's like, okay, you saying this, but when I look at them, I see the star. So which one is true? What I'm seeing or what you saying? Okay? Yeah, but this person's lies are being exposed. Somebody's lies are being exposed, and we'll see what that is. King of Swords, this is a narcissistic woman, or it could have been a narcissistic man and woman that was antagonizing your life, possibly even a couple. Okay? This could be like literally like a new partner, wife, baby mom to somebody that you dated in the past. You know what I'm saying? So obviously all this person got to go off of is hearsay. All right. Is somebody here also a King of Pentacles? Oh, that could be y'all's energy as well. Y'all moving forward successfully is what I'm getting here. Y'all building something new is what I'm getting. All right. So it's like the goal that you were trying to reach as the Emperor is coming to you now. For some of you, this definitely was a mother. But they was teaming up with somebody else. Who was this? Let's find out who the King and Queen of Swords in reverse is. Who is the Queen of Swords in reverse? But I'm getting the Empress in reverse here. So for some of y'all, y'all could have had a group of people dragging y'all. Because one of them I definitely feel like is a mother figure. Okay, whether it's your person's mom or a baby's mom. Why is the Queen of Swords in reverse? Who is this in Cancer's life? Who is the Queen of Swords? Somebody that, yeah. Somebody that pop off at the mouth without even thinking first. Okay. And somebody that was satisfied with the results that they was causing in your life. This is just a jealous bitch. Okay. They could be a third party. They could be somebody that broke you up from somebody in the past. Okay. And so this person felt the need to, like slander your name, and I feel like this person was very fucking smug and satisfied with what it is that they did. Okay, people starting to see this person as just a drunk, volatile, jealous bitch. Honestly, yeah, causing confusion and putting people under illusions here. Possibly even the masculine energy that they were able to successfully steal from you. Okay, why is the World here? Now it's like this King of Pentacles, or no, this King of Swords in reverse is waking up. I feel like you guys ignored them, so it's making me feel like, or this person, these people not gaining success over talking over you no more, talking to you, talking about you anymore. Damn. Throat chakra blocked. Y'all probably did a shut up spell on this person. Okay, or them being exposed for who they really are caused this person to shut the fuck up. All right, some of them going to jail is kind of what I'm seeing, or they in spiritual jail, spiritual purgatory. This could be a Queen of Pentacles in reverse, somebody that's lazy and entitled. You know, they don't want to work, they just want to go dig. That could have been what they liked about your person the most, and why they felt like they just had to be the one. You get what I'm saying? But whoever this is, again, at one point it's like all through what they was saying for you, they was getting what they wanted, seeing your downfall, causing breakups in your life for their own gain. Let's see. Why is the Ten of Cups in reverse? Now that situation is crumbling. It's masculine. It's no longer happy. Yeah, they getting their justice. They tried to keep you from opportunities, new love, new friendships, new business partnerships. They getting their just due. Okay? Right here in Libra season. Libra season is not going to leave without this person's lies coming back to bite them in the ass. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands. Somebody is becoming single from this person. This person just wanted to gain some type of stability is what I'm getting. Or this person, the person that they stole from you may want to come back to you. They making a plan to come back to you. Okay? This person done went broke. Dealing with somebody that's lazy, don't want to work, and just want to take all their money but talk shit about you. I could see why this person didn't have time to make anything of themselves, because they was too busy working on your name like a damn 9 to 5. Okay, Seven of Swords in reverse. Wow. Let's see why the Seven of Swords in reverse is here. The Queen of Wands. Yup, this person being exposed. They are. And you guys are getting a new beginning. This person is having to see you start an exciting new path, okay? Also, they may know that they person want to come back to you. They may be well aware that they person want to come back to you. That's another thing that's being exposed. Maybe they person, this King of Swords in reverse, is also the one that's coming forth and apologizing and exposing what this person been saying about you. Because they using that as an excuse. Like, this is the reason why things didn't work out. Because such and such slandered your name and dragged your name through the mud. But that's also throwing them under the bus for being gullible as fuck. So, I don't know what this person is expecting to gain from you. Yeah, you guys are the true Queen of Pentacles today, King of Pentacles. Empress in reverse, I'm telling y'all, somebody stood up to their mom. Alright? So for some of you, it could be just that their mom didn't want to work. Their mom didn't want to work. They wanted their son to take care of them. And you was in the way of that because maybe they were spoiling you. But now it's like this person's finances are drained. They feel like they left out of your life. You got this new beginning on the horizon. For some of you, y'all got new love coming in too, or something very passionate and creative coming up. Something is just kicking off for you, Cancer, okay? And I feel like you finally let go of this with the clarity that you gain in here. I feel like this person may take a leap of faith towards you. I feel like you're going to turn them down. They're going to be angry about that. But they don't have much more to be angry about than at the person that they've been allowing to antagonize you. Okay, I do feel like this person stood up to this person. Your past person, they stood up to whoever this was lying on you, and it could be a baby mom. Let's see. Who is this Empress in reverse? I just need to know if it's a mom or a baby mama. We'll find out because we'll get some message cards at the end. But it's either or. Yeah, they got a baby with this person. Okay, so it could be an Aries of yours that's coming back. Temperance in reverse. Oh boy, this taught this person a valuable lesson to resist temptation. You could have waited for this person to come back, or you could have been waiting for this person to see the truth. You've been waiting for your ships to come in, not knowing that they've been blocked by this infamous couple. Okay, that been like, I feel like this masculine joined in on the slandering as well. So they could be apologizing to you now or telling you the truth or whatever the case is. But at the end of the day, they joined in on this. They believed someone else. Let's see why the King of Swords is in reverse. Them and this person is actually a good match. They keep coming up as the ones that match. This person could have been a good match to you, but I feel like now, yeah, King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. The thing about it is that this person always still loved you. They always still had this uneasy feeling. They felt burdened by what they felt for you because they didn't conform. It's like they conformed to somebody else's lies rather than the truth that lied in their heart. Is what I'm getting. Okay, Six of Cups in reverse. This person keep thinking back to what they did to you. All right. They want at least to have a friendship. It could have been magic here too. They could have had some type of practitioner on payroll. This person keep coming up as the King of Pentacles because in reality they was supposed to be your match. But this person's demeanor, greed, and manipulation, it put them more in a vibration with the person that was an antagonist in your life, okay? You overcoming it though, Cancer. So if people been spreading lies about you and have been blocking opportunities for you, you about to see this come to an end in the last half of October. Okay, this person feels so guilty about leaving you out in the cold because they could have left you for dead. They could have left you homeless. They could have left you broke. They could have left you jobless. They could have pulled the rug from underneath you to basically side with somebody else. What else does Cancer need to know, Holy Spirit? Okay. I love someone else more. That could have been what they told you in the past. And that's in reverse now because they realize just like you was under some type of manipulation, so was they. They miss your warmth, protection, and motherly love, and they realize that you are the descendant of an ancient god or goddess. This person could have moved away from you, and so that can be another obstacle in y'all way is some distance. This person appreciates your body. They come to visit you in a 5D. They feel like they believed a snake princess over you and that they became a martyr of their own beliefs. This person is coming like they evolving out of an immature place. This could have been somebody that was a side piece, started off as a side piece to them, and then they wifed this person. Okay, it took this person too long to gain a new perspective. You had time to heal from this heartbreak and betrayal and everything. I'm getting that you guys got good luck, prosperity, and protection on y'all side. Okay, let's see. This person didn't prioritize you or your feelings at the time, where they basically had your admiration still. I feel like y'all lost all respect for this person, okay? They could have definitely got with a sex worker. Maybe they didn't know that this person was a sex worker. Wow, they could have been spreading rumors that you was like mentally ill, okay? Now it's like, while you getting good news, they getting bad news. They see that you confident despite the things that they've lied and said about you, all right? And they see you generously giving out this earth angel magic of yours, okay? So you shine your light on others, but I feel like as far as this person go, you okay. Now you guys are living a life where you're about to have the opportunity to live a life of lavishness. And I feel like you didn't allow this situation to break you or harden your heart, because I see you guys are still a hopeless romantic. This person could have been insecure about the connection. They saying that they ghosted you to avoid the pain of losing you later, because everyone leaves. But I'm seeing that this person was possessed by some type of sexual demon from sleeping with somebody that was a sex worker. Okay, when this person calls, you not answering the phone. Don't answer the phone. You might have their number saved under don't answer. I don't want you to get too big-headed, so I pretended not to care. Now they missed the opportunity. I feel like things are really going to bloom for you over the winter and leading into the spring, because I'm getting the beauty of spring blooms, and it's going to illuminate something. Y'all, for some of y'all, this was y'all actual best friend. Y'all actual best friend could have stole y'all man from right underneath y'all nose. A palm colored man and or woman. Okay, and this person could be an older woman, somebody that you trusted. So maybe they gathered all your secrets and added their own little lies. And some of y'all know this because y'all got messages clairaudiently from the Holy Divine about your best friend and your man. This person risked it all for this, whoever this person is. They gave it all up for somebody else. I love you more every day. Now that this person is seeing you grow and evolve, they realize how much they love you. Okay, so let's see if it's anything else. Then we gonna get some advice. Yeah, y'all moving on. I feel like y'all courting and dating someone new while this person goes through a karmic lesson. They are not highly favored. I feel like for a while they could have been favored. This person is definitely swallowing their pride and taking culpability for their gullible energy. This person feel like you can't leave them hanging. Okay, for some of you, y'all had this best friend could have been close to you like a sister, or y'all sister was involved in somehow. Or this person can be like trying to talk to your sister to get your sister to like talk to you, like, you know, tell your sister to call me, like she tripping. The sound of your voice irritates them because you don't be speaking nothing but truth, and this person love listening to lies. Somebody here got colored hair. I feel like this could have happened 3 years ago. Yeah. Maybe the last time you saw this person, they had dreads or locks. They could have cut their hair, or some of them, they could be going fucking bald. Okay? I mean, just being honest. Alright, so let's see. Let's get some advice for Cancer, y'all. The only thing y'all really need to do is just continue to move forward and enjoy y'all life. I mean, I know it might be hurtful to find out that somebody you was once close to or considered like a sister or a close friend betrayed you and basically went to go live a life with one of your exes, and your ex listened to the lies that they told. Let's see. Advice for Cancer for the last half of October. I relate in peace. Yeah. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to continue to keep the peace. I feel like you honor virtue, and I feel like you being blessed with the 5 great virtues of health, wealth, prosperity, long life, and natural death. Okay. And you speak with sincerity. So it's like that's why you getting blessed like you getting. Everybody else in the situation that was lying, they losing everything, including the hair on their head. So it is what it is, guys. All right. So continue to bask in your authenticity and in your integrity so you can continue to gain blessings. Okay, guys. And I'll see y'all on the next one.